taco casserole that is so easy and packed with so much flavor. Let's get into it. Preheat your oven to 400. In my pan, I have 1 pound of ground beef that I'm just going to add some onion powder to and cook this until I know I'm not going to shit my pants. When your beef is done, you're just going to add 2 tablespoons of whatever taco seasoning you'd like. And then 3/4 cup of water. And then just bring that to a boil and then let it simmer for like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. You need a big bowl and you're just going to add, this is 1 pound, 26 ounces of frozen hash browns. I let these sit out on the counter while I brown my hamburger just so they like, I don't know, kind of defrost. It tells me that it makes it better, but it probably doesn't. 1 can of Rotel, I do not drain mine. 1 cup of sour cream, or ish, measure with your heart. All right, then you're either gonna do like 1 cup or 1 can of cheddar cheese soup, like Campbell's cheddar cheese soup or whatever you wanna use. I don't have any, so I just made some, and I just made some with, all it is butter, flour, shredded cheese, milk. So you can use just 1 can though if you have that or are going grocery shopping. We're gonna add in the rest of our taco seasoning packet. All right, and then a handful of like Colby Jack cheese or whatever you have, a little handful and a half. Then another handful of pepper jack cheese. All right, and this is why you need the big bowl, because now you're gonna mix everything together until it's all nice and combined. Once it's all combined, I'm just going to dump it into my 9x13 pan. Just push it all down so that way it's like all nice and flat. All right, now I'm just gonna go back in with some more shredded cheese for the top. So I like to just do a little bit of the Colby Jack, then a little bit of the pepper jack. So that way there's both on the top as well. All right, I'm now going to put this in my 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. And don't quit watching the video because we're not done yet. Okay, so I just took this out of the oven and it smells so good. I want to eat it right now. You're going to take a bag of whatever Doritos you want. I do the Simply ones just because we try to eat a little bit cleaner. But you could do the regular ones and just kind of crunch them up. And then you're just going to kind of dump them on top. You can do whatever Doritos, if you want Cool Ranch, if you want, I don't care what you do. You can do whatever chips you want. Like a chili cheese Frito might be really good on top of this too. The possibilities are endless. Dog's gonna get that one that I just spilled. All right, we're gonna put this back in our 400-degree oven for another like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I just took it out of the oven and this is what it looks like. So the chips got like a little crisp. You can put it in until you like how the chips are crisped up. I like it like this. Let me plate it up and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Now you can eat it just like this, but I like to add a little lettuce and taco sauce to mine. This just gives it a little something. This one is seriously so good. You gotta try it. Henley, can you say so good?